Now, let's get down now into this incredible mask. First and foremost, what does this mask do to all of us here at home?
Yeah, so it provides some soothing and hydrating to our the effect
for the skin.
Yeah, so I choose this, so it's good for everyone, no matter what skin type you have.
Especially if people with sensitive skin, eczema, psoriasis, this is safe for them as well.
It's safe for them.
Awesome. Okay. All right. So now, what are the ingredients that we need here?
So we have oatmeal, egg yolk, then we have honey and a bit of honey and a bit of olive oil. So if you have very oily skin, then you can like reduce the amount of olive oil, or you can avoid it.
Okay, so we're gonna put in the yolk first.
Yeah, I'm going to put in all the wet ingredient.
All right. Okay. Good. So now you all get to put good use of your ingredients at home if you can't finish it. All right. Then the oil. Okay, very good. And of course, the last one is the oatmeal, right? Okay. And after that, you're gonna give it a good mix.
Yes, something
okay,
like
right.
that.
Let's take a good look here on Dr. Gan's hand. Okay, so okay.
Then you just apply,
And
and
how
then
long
leave
should
it
we leave it
for
on?
max 10 to 15 minutes.
Nothing longer than that, right?
Nothing
Because
longer.
actually then it's blocking your pores, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and just leave it here. That's it for 5 to maximum 15 minutes.
15 minutes,
Nothing more.
and then just wash off.
Rush off. So now, for those of you who are wondering, oh my God, I didn't mention the picture yet. Where can I find this information? Now you can find all our every Saturday night information and the show, right, available at www.markleong.club. Alright, so make sure you are part of it, right, so that you can retrieve back all this, valuable information that the team has put in effort to research and to share with you every Saturday night on our show. Alright.